Hi. So, my last video about making a terminal electron got like 70 views as of recording this. That's very nice, I guess. Um, so now I'm just going to be reviewing just a bunch of Hello Worlds, like the Hello World demo for a bunch of languages. So we're going to be doing Shell, Rust, JavaScript, Java, C++, C Sharp, C, and Batch. Shell and Batch are basically going to be the same, and it's just going to be Echo. But I decided to include them anyways because why not? Um, so I mean, I guess we can start out with batch. I got run.bat, and we can just say at echo off, echo hello world. Simple as that. And I'm gonna copy this hello world so that we can use it in other programs. We don't have to rewrite it. Um, for C, well, wait, we gotta test to make sure that it works. cd batch run. Yay, it works. Alright, now we do C. C will create a new file. Um, main.c. This one I'm pretty sure we do include stdio. It's telling me that there's a new C extension. .h. Does that say where it's located? Yes, it does. It's in the Windows SDK. Int main. I don't code in C a lot, actually. I prefer C++. Return 0. And this one's simple. Printf hello world and new line character. And we're going to compile this too. C. There we go. GCC out exe main.c, and we run out.exe hello world. cd dot dot. Alright, that's C down. We got C and batch. C sharp, I'm going to use, this one's going to require the Microsoft, well, the Visual Studio build tools or what have you. I don't know, I'm just going to call it main.c sharp. Wait, we need to using system so that we can actually print class main static void main and it's console.writeLine hello world. Save that. Hello should not be an error. And I'm gonna launch this terminal right here, right click, reveal in file explorer. And I'm just gonna copy the directory it opened on the other monitor. Dev command prompt, cd right click to paste, and csc main.cs. Main member names cannot be same as their enclosing type. We have an error in our program. I'm pretty sure the class can't be called main. So, hello. I'm going to rename it hello too. That's OBS. That is my reference. Yeah, I have a reference in case I forget anything. Which I'm hoping I won't. Hello.exe. Hello world. There we go. Alright, C sharp down. C++. Main.c++. Include IO stream. I'm thinking about C right now. There's like stdio into main, very similar languages. Return 0, cd cout. Hello. That's the freaking directory. Hello world. Yay! I can finally type. I don't like using the std namespace. it's just bad practice to use my namespaces, in my opinion. Not cout, end line. Because you can just get them so confused easily with big projects. So it's just best practice not to use namespaces at all, even though right here, using namespace, like, that wasn't the enter. Using namespace std. This would be very convenient right now so that you'd only have to do, like, cout and end line. It's, in my opinion, bad practice. You might like namespaces, I can't use them. Not cd, g++, out.exe, put our input file, out.exe, hello world. That is in C++. Now I can do Java. This one I did not prepare any Java compiler, so I'm going to hope that I have the JDK installed. So we're just going to do main.java. I know this works because I've done this before. The Java extension pack is recommended. Yeah, I don't have Java extension. I don't use it too much. Public class, or is it just, I think it's public class. We don't have a package. Main, public static void main string args, and we can just do system.out.println hello. I have it copied. Okay, that's main.java. Now the hard part is compiling it. Java. I just want Java. I'm pretty sure Java C main.java. That's supposed to work. Apparently, I don't have the JDK installed. So just imagine that works. Got it? Because I'm not installing the JDK in this video. JavaScript. main.js cd./javascript, and this one is very simple. Console.log hello world node main.js hello world. You can also include this and whatever, I don't know, require this so it's not just limited to node. Rust. This one I do know I have the compiler. Main.rs. I always forget the Rust extension, so I like do rcr, even though rc is like C++ resources. Fn main. Pretty sure it's like this. Print line hello copy and paste. Rust C main.rs. In production, you'd be using cargo, but we don't have to. Main.exe hello world. I don't know why these PDB files get generated. It's like, can't you just clean these up? I don't even know what they do. So, all right, that's hello world in Rust, and now shellcode. New file. Run.sh. I don't know. Echo hello world, no semicolon. That's about it. How do I create another shell then? Can I do I'm wondering if I can do it right from Visual Studio Code. WSL. Yep, that works. And now I appear in the same directory. That's really convenient. CLS is not a command. I'm thinking Windows syntax clear. cd shell, and we can just do run or run.sh, and it says hello world. All right, that's it. That's all it is. It's just hello world in a bunch of different languages. Not too hard to do. Just thought it would be a neat idea. try and do. I didn't have to use my reference sheet once, which was very nice, actually. It's just a bunch of Hello World files. How long was this? 10 minutes? That's way too long for a Hello World video. But that's where I'm going to finish it off. Bye.